The assessing authority accepted the claim and allowed exemption. But so far as the question of refund of tax is concerned, the tribunal held that there is no question of refund of tax in the case of the appellant since no tax had been demanded from the appellant for all the 4 years, and therefore in those circumstances there could be no question of refund under section 44 of the KGST Act of the appellant. 9. In the light of aforesaid findings, the appellate tribunal dismissed the appeal as against which a revision petition was filed by the appellant before the Kerala High Court, which was also dismissed under the impugned judgment and order as against which the present appeals were filed. We have heard the learned counsel appearing for the parties who had taken us through all the orders which gave rise to the aforesaid two issues which fall for our consideration in the present appeals. The learned counsel appearing for the appellant submitted before us that appellant has admittedly paid the tax to the dealer at the time of occasion of sale made to it by the dealer, namely the tea planters. It was also submitted by him that department has received the aforesaid tax paid in excess by the appellant and that there is a provision on the state to retain the excess tax is lieu of the provision of Article 265 and 286 of the Constitution of India. It was also submitted by him that in addition to the provisions of Section 44 of the KGST Act, a proactive view has to be taken by this court in the facts and circumstances of the present case by referring to the decision of this court in the case of Mafatlal Industries Limited and others versus Union of India and others reported in 1997. The learned counsel appearing for the state, however, not only refuted the aforesaid submissions but also stated that since there is a specific provision in the State Act for giving refund of the excess amount of tax, if any, paid only to the dealer and not to any other person, there cannot be a proactive consideration in the facts and circumstances of the present case as sought to be submitted by the learned counsel appearing for the appellant.